Hello viewers, if you are a student and you want to buy iPad 10th generation, then you must watch this video to get all the answers of your questions. Many users actually want to know about the multitasking on iPad 10th generation. You can see that I have opened too many apps, yet there is no sluggishness or there is no lag in this iPad 10th generation. As this device comes with A14 Bionic chipset, you will have a great multitasking on this iPad. If you are a student and you are preparing for many competitive examination, in that case you will miss some apps on App Store. Suppose if you want to install the app Career Wheel, in that case you will not find this app in App Store. However, most of the apps are available in this App Store, but some of the apps which have no iOS version, in that case you will not get those apps in your iPad 10th generation. And if you are someone who likes to use WhatsApp in your iPad, in that case also you will have no option of installing the official WhatsApp app. I think Apple should have provided at least WhatsApp app. However, you can install Telegram and many other social media app on your iPad 10th generation. Again, some users actually want to know about the battery life of iPad 10th generation. Actually, the battery life of this device is very good, and if you can tweak some settings, you will get another 10 to 15% increase in the battery life. I have made a dedicated video on the battery tips, so you can watch that video. Link will be in the description below. The best part of every smart devices is the display, and the display of iPad 10th generation is also very good. Though it is not a laminated display, yet you will get very good color reproduction on this tablet and multimedia consumption will be excellent. This iPad 10th generation comes with stereo speakers, and the quality of these speakers is actually very good. Currently, iPad 10th generation is running on iPad OS 18.2, and I am getting a very good experience using this iPad on iPad OS 18.2. In terms of multitasking, battery life and also software improvements, I can say that I am getting the optimum performance from this iPad 10th generation. With the base variant, you will get only 64 GB of internal storage, so you will feel shortage of storage if you store too many videos on your iPad 10th generation. But if you store only PDFs, in that case you will not feel any scarcity of storage. If you use iPad 10th generation for a couple of days, you will never use any Android tablet in the same price bracket. However, I have compared iPad 10th generation with Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE Plus. S9 FE Plus is also a very good tablet, but if you compare the processor of these two tablets, I think iPad 10th generation has a more powerful processor, and you will get the option of video editing in 4K 60 FPS in iPad 10th generation, which is not possible in Tab S9 FE Plus. Another good thing is that you can buy any third-party ipencil by spending around 1K to 1.5K, and you will have a great experience. On this 10.9 inches screen, you can take notes, and the note app of Apple is also very feature rich after recent iPad OS 18.2. You will have all the necessary options on this note app, but if you want to install any other note app like Good Notes, you have to pay around 1000 rupees for 1 year. But I think for the basic task, the default Apple Note app is sufficient for most of the students. So in the conclusion, iPad 10th generation is a very good tablet for students. They can use this tablet to the maximum limit, and they will be benefited using this tablet while writing or doing any other task on this iPad 10th generation. What's your thought regarding this iPad 10th generation? Let me know in the comment sections below, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask me. I will try to answer those questions to the best of my knowledge. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.